Hi, I'm Mike, and in the first lesson, I will be showing you how to download and install GIMP onto your computer. First, type in gimp.org into the search bar on your internet browser. That should bring you to this page. From here, navigate to the download button at the top and click it. You will be greeted with this screen where GIMP should have already recognized your operating system. As you can see here, mine is Microsoft Windows. If GIMP guessed wrong for you, the other downloads can be found here. Next, click the download button on the right. You should see something like this on your screen. If it looks a bit different, that's okay. It's likely that you are using a different internet browser than I am. I'm using Google Chrome. We're going to let this download for a while. When your download finishes, click on it. For the install mode, you can select whichever option better suits you. I am the only user on my computer, and so I selected the top option. When asked if you want to allow the app to make changes, select yes. You will be brought to a screen where you can select your language. Finally, you can click Install on this window. After installation completes, select Finish and you're done. You should now have GIMP on your computer. I didn't have a desktop icon, and so I just searched for it on my computer and dragged it onto my desktop.